Presenting Sintex SMC Panel Tanks, the new age solution to high capacity water storage. SMC panel tanks are also known as GRP, glass reinforced plastic. GRP tanks. These SMC tanks are made by compressing a combination of quality fiberglass and resins along with other important ingredients. Sintex SMC panel tanks are available from 1000 liters to 12 lakh liters capacities. However, these tanks are more relevant because of their cost effectiveness in capacities exceeding 25,000 liters. The key advantage of SMC panel tanks is the modularity and the flexibility it gives to architects and contractors to erect them in any size and shape. Also, these SMC panel tanks have high strength to weight ratio. Hence, they have the same strength as of a metal or RCC tank at much lighter weights, thus making them easily transportable and erectable. These SMC tanks are also fire retardant, chemical resistant, and have no risk of corrosion or leaching. If you are wondering where these tanks can be installed, then here are 8 areas where SMC panel tanks find their application. As mentioned earlier, these are used for large capacity water storage ranging from residential to commercial and community water storage. These are also very relevant for industries, institutions, government and defense sectors. Let's understand why you should buy a Sintex SMC panel tank compared to any other SMC or GRP tank. When you buy tanks from unknown brands, there are greater risks of leakages or breakage, which can cause fatal accidents, as thousands and lakhs of kiloliters of water is stored in such tanks. But with Sintex, you can always be assured of quality products as well as services. We make no compromise in the safety of our customers. Also, Sintex is the only Indian manufacturer with the ISI certification for SMC panel tanks. Here are the key features of Sintex SMC panel tanks which make them better than RCC and metal tanks. Sintex SMC panel tanks are easy and quick to construct, more durable, more cost-effective, portable, lightweight, modular and very hygienic compared to RCC and metal tanks. Let's take a look at the dimensions of the Sintex SMC panel tank. The length and width of the SMC panel tank can range from 1 meter to 20 meters, and the height can range from 1 meter to 3 meters in half-meter increments. The crucial aspects of our SMC panel design are that the bottom and the side of the panels are made in concave shape, which enables the tanks to hold more water. Also, to make them sturdier, the panels are bolted together with SMC corner angles from the corners, top and the bottom, so that no metal touches the water. Panels have been mindfully designed for most effective drainage. The drain connection is made at the bottom to ensure complete drainage. Also, the inlet and outlets can be customized to meet the client needs. Sintex complies with BIS standards for manufacturing SMC panel tanks. Sintex SMC panel tanks ensure that water does not come in contact with metal, thus eliminating rusting and enhancing the life of the tank, which is not the case for imported tanks. Also, Sintex provides a better net to gross ratio compared to imported tanks, ensuring more water storage for the same capacity as an imported tank. Let's see the glimpses of the installation at project sites. Panel tanks can be installed in 3 different ways. First type of installation is for ground level tanks. For ground level tanks, the first step includes the laying of the foundation. Then HDG grillage is installed on the foundation in step 2. And finally, the tank is installed on the HDG grillage as step 3. The second type of installation is for elevated overhead tanks. This is how an elevated tank looks like after installation. The third type includes terrace level installations. Here are a few installed project site pictures. We have received a great response from Jal Jeevan Mission projects pan-India. Installed at the ropeway project in Dharamshala, Himachal, and also in Congo, Africa for a Coke bottling unit. This is a project installed in Indonesia. Installation for Wonder Cement. We have supplied many tanks to COVID hospitals. Sintex SMC Panel Tank at the Commonwealth Games Village, Delhi. And here is a list of a few happy and satisfied customers. We express our sincere gratitude for taking out time and viewing this presentation. We look forward for your recommendations.